We are entering 2026, and everything around you is powered by AI. We have AI agents, AI chatbots, and AI-generated video, audio, and images. So why should your browser fall behind? Hello, brothers and sisters. I am AIIT Guy, and today I'm showing you how to use the Neo AI browser. If you are still using Chrome in 2025 or 2026, watching this video is absolutely essential for you. Why use an AI browser? You might be wondering, why should I switch? The answer is to boost your productivity through its privacy and fast AI features. Your chats, history, and personal data aren't stored in the cloud. Instead, they stay right with you. Introduction to Neo Browser. In this video, I'll share a fantastic AI browser built on the core principles of AI and security, making it more updated than any other browser. It's called Neo, an AI browser from the famous antivirus company Norton. You can download it for free using the link in the description and start using it today. Security and privacy. Most browsers collect your data and sell it to third parties. Many companies even use your data to train AI models. With Neo, you get the protection of the cybersecurity giant Norton, which warns you before you click on any phishing sites or harmful links. Download and install process. Let's head over to the Neo website. As you can see, there are download options for both Windows and Mac. If we click on the Windows option, the Neo browser will start downloading immediately. I've clicked it, and as you can see, it's downloading. The download is complete. Now, if we click here, this is the Neo installer. Right-click and select Run. Click Yes, and then you can complete the installation process. Since I already have it installed, it's showing it as the default here. You can follow these steps to finish your installation. Magic Bar. This is the Neo browser. It's available for both Mac and Windows. Once you open the browser, you'll see this screen. First, let's focus on the Magic Bar. The Neo browser window brings chat and web search into one single place. Usually on Chrome, you need a separate tab to talk to ChatGPT, a separate tab for news, and another for YouTube. Copying and pasting information from one place to another is a hassle, but in the Neo browser, you can chat directly within the Magic Bar. Smart Search and Preview. Suppose you want to know how to start an AI startup. It will guide you step by step, just like a standard AI. You can also perform a direct web search if you prefer. Usually, after searching, we have to click on many links to find the right information, which is time-consuming. But with Neo, you can see a preview of a link before you even click it. This saves time and makes your work much easier. Tabs and grouping. The biggest problem with Chrome is the endless number of tabs. When we open too many, we often forget why we opened them. Neo Browser solves this for you. It automatically categorizes your open tabs into groups like technology, automotive, email, or entertainment. This keeps your browsing organized and helps you work efficiently. Content summarization. The next feature is content summarization. Imagine you're reading a long article or a book about startups. You can open a Neo tab on the side and say, "Give me the most important info from this page." You can understand the core message without reading the whole thing. This even works for YouTube videos. While a video is playing, you can ask it to summarize this video, and it will list the key points for you. Writing Assistant. If you struggle with writing emails or LinkedIn posts, the Neo Writing Assistant is here to help. You just tell it what to write and what tone to use, and it generates a draft for you in an instant. You can even adjust the length or change the language. Now, let's look at the slash option. If we click on this icon, you'll see many features, each with a specific function. By clicking the slash and selecting Summarize, we can generate a summary of any topic. If we type something here, it gives us a quick overview. For example, it just gave us an idea about Bangladesh. If you want to summarize a specific topic, you can do it very easily here. There's also an Explain Like I'm 5 feature. Here, I asked it to explain YouTube in Bengali. I clicked the arrow and look, it gave me a very concise explanation of what YouTube is. There are so many features here. Here's another cool thing. Shopping. Find me a discount code. If we use this and paste a link from Duraz, then click Submit, look what it says. It tried to find an instant code, but couldn't find any active public promo codes for Duraz, Bangladesh today. This means if there were a code available, it would have definitely found it for you. You can use the Find a Discount tool for any shopping website to check for deals. Additionally, look here, Product Compare. You can paste links to the same product from two different sites to compare them side by side. Then we have Get News. By clicking here, we can get all the latest news updates right in the browser. That was the Neo browser. We've seen how to summarize content and how the writing assistant, tab grouping, and magic bar make our lives easier. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or content creator, let us know how you liked this browser. To learn more about using AI tools and to stay updated on the latest AI developments, subscribe and join our community. That's all for today. See you in the next video.